This is Clay Selland with Signet Mortgage, and in this video I'm going to share how you can use gift money from a family member for a down payment on your home. Whether you've been saving for a while to buy a home or are just wondering how much is enough for a down payment, you may be able to use gift funds from a close relative for a down payment. Having enough money saved for a down payment is often one of the biggest hurdles to reaching your goal of owning a home. However, many loan programs allow you to receive a gift from a family member to use as your down payment. A recent study by the National Association of Realtors revealed that 32% of first-time homebuyers and 16% of all buyers received a gift from a relative towards their home purchase. Yes, there are loan programs available that offer 100% financing with no down payment, like USDA and VA home loans, but not everyone qualifies for these programs. The Federal Housing Administration, otherwise known as FHA, as well as other mortgage programs, allow you to use gift money for your down payment. Generally, mortgage lenders require that the donor have a family or marital relationship with you. Depending on the loan program, the following normally serves as acceptable sources of gifts for borrowers: a parent, an aunt and uncle, or other person related by blood or marriage, spouse, fiance, or domestic partners, children, dependent parents, legal guardians. Most programs will require that you provide a gift letter from the donor verifying that they have seasoned funds available to gift to you. The money cannot be a loan, so the gift letter cannot have any terms of repayment, and you will need to show the money coming into your account from them or have the funds directly deposited to escrow. Also, along with that gift letter from the persons who are gifting you the funds, they will need to provide a bank statement documenting the source of the funds to them, and no getting around that. Alternatively, they could gift funds early, let it season in your accounts for 2 statement months, and then can avoid the documentation of the gift. What should the gift letter include? We would review your circumstances and outline a draft for you, but the gift letter should include the name, address, and contact information for the donor, their relationship to you, the dollar amount of the gift, and the date of transfer of funds for the gift. And state that the donor does not expect to receive repayment from you. It's good to have the street address of the property being purchased in the loan program if different. For some programs, you can use all gift funds for your down payment, whereas other programs require that some down payment be from your own funds. We can outline the requirements of the program you are considering. One of the most important things to remember is that gift funds are just that, a gift, which means they are not paid back. If it is actually a loan, the terms for repayment have to be included in your qualifying and could result in you not getting the loan. A gift from your parents or family member might just be the ticket to getting into the house of your dreams. Thanks for watching. This is Clay Selland with Signet Mortgage. You can connect with me in the contact information down there, and I look forward to helping you with anything, any questions, that sort of thing, and helping you get that home of your dreams, and soon. Take care.